Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. My name is Saurabh. So today I will show you something special and this is related to keywords. So friends, you remember in last video we discussed about keywords, what is the different type of keywords and what kind of keywords we should use and Google related keywords, LSI keywords like that. Okay. But friends, suppose you got any project, okay, your client came to you and gave you 3 to 4 keywords as an example, and he told you that I want to rank for these keywords in the Google search engine result page by these 3 months or 6 months. So what you will do, you took these keywords and take this related to what all the Google suggested keyword, LSI keywords and writing the content. Do you think that the process will give you to rank in search engine result page? No. So this is not the proper correct strategy. Okay. So friends, whenever you will get any kind of keywords, first you should check the keyword difficulty for that keywords. Okay. So keyword difficulty is scale in between 0 to 100. Okay. So always you check the keyword difficulty for that keywords, then only you go for writing that content or blogs, anything. Okay. So I will tell you what is the keyword difficulty score. So always take the difficulty easy difficulty score. Okay, means if the difficulty score is in between 0 to 14, then it is an easy keywords. From 15 to 29, it is also easy keywords. Okay, from 30 to 49, it is possible keywords. So in between 0 to 49 keyword difficulty score, obviously you should choose and go for that content. Okay, so suppose you got any keywords and you should use the tool, so it will help you that more analytics and analyze that keywords, that how much traffic it will come, what is the CPC and what is the keyword difficulty score. So friends, let's go just have a look what is the first keyword research tool, and it is completely free. Friends, see, the first keyword research tool is SEMrush. This is the topmost SEO keyword research tool. You should log in through your Gmail account, okay, but the password you should create, don't use the Gmail password. You need to create an account in SEMrush, okay. So when you will come to the home page, that is the interface of the SEMrush, you should come to the keyword analytics. There is a drop down. You should go to the keyword magic tool. When you go to the keyword magic tool, you should type which keyword you want to search for. First you should change from US to your country, that is India is my country. Now I type anything. Suppose this is my keyword, what is Black Hat SEO, and type and click on search button. So friends, so this is not showing any kind of data. Suppose I type here see friends, just I type what is SEO, okay, and you can see the volume, okay. See, the volume is, what is SEO volume is 14,800, trend is going like that. Keyword difficulty is very high, 79.83, CPC is 0.20, and there is more analytics it will give. So there is some other related also searching here, and you can see the keyword difficulty, what is SEO, how it works, what is on page SEO, what is SEO in digital marketing. So guys, so if you find any keywords that related to your project, okay, you need to search here SEMrush and it will give you the total result, okay, and definitely you can take that all the result in an CSV file, that is in Excel file, okay. So friends, this is my second keyword research tool, okay. So this tool name is Ubersuggest. This is also a free tools, okay, you don't need to pay anything, and you need to log in, so it will give you more keyword ideas and it will allow you to search as more as keywords. Okay, first you need to go to here keyword ideas. You need to click on keyword ideas. Here is asking for enter your domain. No need to go to domain. So once you go to keywords, you need to change to your domain to India. So there is some internet problem maybe. So I choose India and here I type SEO, best SEO agency. So best SEO agency and I click on search. So it is searching from their server. So guys, can you see it is showing the search volume is 260 and SEO volume is 20. So friends, you remember I told you the SEO difficulty score, a keyword difficulty score in between 0 to 14, 15 to 29 and 30 to 49. You should choose. So 20, definitely I can go through that keywords. Paid difficulty, okay, 21 and the CPC is 123. Very good keywords. Okay, so guys, if you write any content with that best SEO agency, definitely I give you guarantee, if your content is good, if your backlinks depend on other calculating relevancy is good, definitely you will rank in the search engine result page. And otherwise you can check the graph also, that what is the volume the people are searching for that keywords. Okay, and it will give you more ideas, that other keyword ideas, best SEO agency, best SEO agency in India, best SEO agency in Delhi, and it will give you the volume, CPC, that complete analytics also you will get. Okay, and it will give you the backlink source also. Okay, so for that purpose you need to paid tools. There is a paid option also available for the Uber searches, but that is not necessary. That is then second keyword research tool. So friends, the third keyword research tool that is completely free, that is also free, that is known as Keywords Everywhere. So friends, you need to add the Chrome extension or your browser extension, Keywords Everywhere. Just write Chrome extension. When you click on that Keywords Everywhere Chrome extension and click on the first link, okay, so it will give you, see, there is an option, it will come add Chrome extension. For me it is already added, so it will come remove from Chrome. So for me, when you add this Chrome extension, okay, it will get an you will receive one email. There will be an password will be there. So for that verification you should use that password and you can log in. When you add this Chrome extension, okay, it will come here, see that icon Keyword Everywhere. So what is the use? What is the purpose of that keyword research tool? So friends, suppose in Google, if you find any keywords, suppose I type here digital marketing course online. See friends, when I type that keywords, immediately in right side, can you see the related keywords? It will show you free keywords digital marketing courses with certificate by Google, digital marketing course online India, digital marketing course Google. So all these keywords are related keywords and it will show you that people are search along with that main keywords, like that keywords also people are searching. Okay, so from here you need to choose only long tail keywords and use in your content. Apart from that, if you just little down, see how many keywords people are searching related to digital marketing course online. See, there is an option called, see, export to CSV. If you click here, immediately it will download as an Excel file. So you need to check from that Excel file what is the long tail keywords and need to use in your content. So this is the third keyword research tool. So friend, this is the fourth keyword research tool, and it is also an free, and it is mainly given by Google products, that is called as Google Trends. Okay, you can see the Google Trends. So when I click on Google Trends, it is opening their interface, Google Trends interface. Okay, so it will give you more analyze and analytics of the data, that how people are searching, from which region people are searching, and you can compare with two parallel keywords. Okay, see, this is an interface. Okay, so it is an asking enter a search term. Suppose I type here SEO. Okay, search term SEO, and I search it. So when I click on search, so here it is showing United States. So you need to change to United States to India. Okay, immediately it will show you. Friends, you can see the graph, what is the increase and how people are searching. Very frequently people are searching in SEO. Okay, and it is in short tail keywords, obviously people are searching, and it will also show you from in India from which state people are searching also. Okay, what is the related queries, and I can compare with that keywords to another keyword. See, in SEO, if I compare with black hat SEO, so if I compare with the black hat SEO, see the graph will be, it will be red and it will be a green graph. Okay, see the graph. This is a black hat SEO graph, and how people are searching, that is also it will show you. So this is also an Google product. Definitely you need to use that Google Trends for a keyword research tool. This is also a free keyword research tool. So friend, this is the fifth one. Okay, this is the fifth free keyword research tool. It is called Soovel.com. So you need to type SOOVLE, Soovel.com, and it will give you an interface. No need to log in, guys, and immediately it will show you total 7 search engine. If you search any keywords, how people are searching, what all the other related keywords, immediately it will show you. See, I will give an example. Suppose I type here, what is digital marketing. See guys, before finish my typing, here it will show you how people are searching. Okay, see in YouTube what all people are searching. One, what is digital marketing, what is digital marketing in Hindi, what is digital marketing, and how does it works, what is digital marketing in English, in Bing how it is works, what is digital marketing in Yahoo, how it is, how people are searching in Wikipedia, in Amazon. So in total 7 search engine, how people are search that keywords, it will show you. So it will give a proper idea, and you can take those keywords and definitely use in your content. So your content will be ranked into the search engine result page. So people, I will recommend you to go for this top 5 keyword research tool. Okay, so first one is SEMrush, second one is Uber Suggest, third one is Keyword Everywhere, fourth one is Google Trends, and fifth one is Soovel.com. And these are all the basic 100% free keyword research tool. Before write any content, definitely you should research that keywords, what is the difficulty score and what is the volume. If it is high volume, if it's the CPC is high and the difficulty is low, definitely you can use that keywords and go for your content. So this will give you clear ideas about keywords tools. So friend, in next video I will definitely come with that some other update and with some other interesting video. So in between, if you have any query, definitely you can reach to me through comments, and please subscribe my channel for next upcoming video, and like and share my videos, and keep watching with Saurabh. Thank you.